Lie flat on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your arms reaching up to the ceiling. Keeping your back flat against the floor, slowly lower your right arm and your left leg at the same time until your arm and leg are just above the floor. Be careful not to raise your back off the ground. Slowly return to the start position and repeat with the opposite limbs. Side plank. Start on your left side with your feet and knees together, keeping your knees bent. Place your left elbow directly below your left shoulder. Keeping your knees on the ground, contract your core and raise your hips until your body's in a straight line from head to knee. To make the exercise more challenging, keep your legs straight with your right leg in front of your left leg. Contract your core and raise your hips until your body's in a straight line from head to heel. Hold the position without letting your hips drop for the allocated time. You can also try these various different arm positions to make the exercise more challenging. Repeat on the other side. Lying flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground, place your arms at your side with your palms facing up. Lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze your glutes and keep your abs drawn in so you don't overextend your back during this exercise. Hold the bridge for a couple of seconds before easing back down.